Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl once again, Lizzie. Today I'm going to be talking you through the simplest Gele tutorial ever, and I'm just going to quickly show you guys how I was able to achieve this. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my Gele. You want to do this so that the front of your Gele would not look rough. Thereafter, I made pleats. I made about 4 pleats on the Gele. So after making this pleats like this, you're going to have to place it on your head. Make sure that the shorter hand of your Gele stays on top, and then the longer hand of your Gele stays under like this. So the rule for this Gele tutorial today is 70-30. So one hand of your Gele has to really be longer than the other hand of your Gele. So make sure that the longer hand of your Gele stays under while the shorter hand stays on top. So I'm going to pick the longer hand of my Gele right now, and I'm just going to make round pleats. While making your pleats, make sure that you pick your pleats from your neck area to the middle of your head. And if you're going to make round pleats throughout, make sure that you pick your pleats from your neck area to the middle of your head, and then from the middle of your head towards the other side of your face. This is very important, especially as a beginner. I would also like you all to take note of this. While making your pleats, place the shorter hand of your Gele or the second hand of your Gele underneath your armpits. In that way, you're sure that your Gele is secured and it won't fall off at any moment at all. At this point, I'm done making my round pleats. I'm just quickly going to arrange the pleats to make sure that everything is neat and properly laid. And then after doing that, I'm going to pick the second hand of the Gele, which is the 30 part of the Gele. And when you pick that up, don't just place it on top the longer hand of the Gele like that without pinning it. You have to make sure that you pin, and that's why I'm going to remove it and then pin first before placing that part on top the longer hand of my Gele. So I'm done pinning that. I'm going to pick the shorter hand of the Gele right now, and I'm just going to make pleats. Once you're done making your pleats, pin it so that it doesn't unravel. And I'm going to pick the longer hand of the Gele right now, and I'm just going to form a rose where there's an intersection at the side of my face. And I'm just going to allow you all to enjoy the rest of this tutorial. The rest of it basically is just me trying to form a rose. So guys, at this point I'm done making my rows. For the back of the gele, you can either open it or you can close it, but for me I'm going to open the back of the gele, but it all depends on what you want. You can open yours like I said, or you can close it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If it has been helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and also comment in the comment section. If you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you'll be the first to know. This is like the simplest gele that you can do under 5 minutes, and then you're done. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.